Okay, here, take this.
When you press.
Do a funny pose.
Don't start it yet though.
Okay, you go up there. And then when I say go, you're going to start running after them and they're going to run. And you guys are going to run hard.
Let me sneak up and
Down that.
like like how about they start talking, then I start sneaking up, well then when they notice me, then they run.
You got perfect.
Okay, come here. Where should
You
we go,
guys
right
should
here?
talk about that stupid girl stuff you guys always do.
What subject?
Dakota, and then that girl is... Okay. 2.
Dakota's so cute.
I can't believe Bryce texted you that. That was cute.
I know! You know what would be scared?
You gotta act monkey though. You gotta walk around like this. You're so cute, Tiffany. What a cool costume you got.
I want to see the video.
Me too.
Play it. Is it still going?
I don't know.
It is.
Really bad video.
I think it might actually be a bad video.
Okay, stop throwing crap at me.
Here, I'll find it.
Who's the gorilla?
There's a duck out here.